am Vamsi from Rambhadrapuram. I am studying computer science system engineering in Lundy College. I have a three strong skills like program developer, communication, and teamwork, and also programming languages like Python, Java, C, and I am daily enjoying music and games.
Okay, I am Vijay. I am Nelimarla. I am studied in Delhi Institute of Engineering and Technology, third year, Computer Science and System Engineering. I have strong in communication skills and programming skills. I like database, MongoDB, database management system, and Cassandra. I have strong in communication skills. I want to develop more skills in my resume. I want to add it to more skills like language, programming language like Java, Python, like this. And my goal is well settled in the IT sector.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishnuvardhan. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Internet Systems Engineering. Uh, my goal is to become a game designer in IT sector. I my projects I have participated some projects in my like employee payroll management system and alarm alarm apps in some courses, and I have basic knowledge about coding in problem solving skill and logical thinking in programming languages. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vinay. I am third year BTech from Computer Science and System Engineering. I am from Rajam, and I interested in programming language like C language, Java, and Python, and more than interested in Java with DSA. And I my projects like a small project like uh, Curious Space project. This is like a ChatGPT type, and my short-term goal is to settle a IT sector, and the long-term goal is also settle in the IT sector to more uh, hype, and thank you.
So let's talk about our group discussion. Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to discuss the impact on 5G network in society. Let Let me begin by framing the sentences. 5, 5G network is a fifth generation in our old days. But 5G network is also advantages and disadvantages in our 20th century. It some people are using the 5G network because of hacking the system phone numbers and stole their information, and also it affects the health effects and data loss, and it also improves the education by improving the 5G network in rural areas, and 5G network is fast and
Okay, I will understand your concept, but we are all are using present scenario. 5G network is the all of you use the 5G network, and we consider the negatives and positives of 5G network. Negatives like heavy amount. We pay the heavy amount on recharges like TV recharges, mobile recharges. Next, some gadgets. Positives like health. It mainly affect on the health, education. Next one, career guidance, and negatives like radiation. It's health issue due to heavy radiation. Uh, more than heavy radiation, it's affect on birds, animals like this. And it is fifth generation of wireless net technology is not a transformation. It is a social element. It improves the technology, but also decrease the some diseases.
it affects the environment by using the 5G network in our society, but it also improves the network speed by
Yes.
joining the courses. And I will agree with the point. The Airtel and the Jio are increasing their prices of 5G network, like unlimited 5G. But in scenario, there are so many users are using the 5G network to build their applications and apps. Uh,
I agree with your point. How many advantages are there in the 5G and also disadvantages are in high and advantages are heavy networks and most of the terabytes are their data are uses some more than people's like any application developers and software engineers are used in heavy networks and disadvantages are effect on birds like first birds effect and then radiations and etc. Next, 5G networks on, for example, my village or village, KCH Pally, then 5G networks are connected to tower and 13 members are very uh, cancer, the impact on the 5G network. So that's the reason 5G is very dangerous.
5G network is so many centers use like software industries.
5G network, fifth generation of wireless net technology is not a transformation. It is not a technological. It is a social transformation. We consider positive and negatives of the 5G network. Some positives like we develop the softwares. Next, we develop the labs like medicine field. Like this, some human hands not touch the human. Without touching the human, we consider that so many technologies are improved in the present scenario. We also build the AI developed applications also. Next one, negatives also we consider. Heavy radiation, it is affect on human health and not only human health. It also affect on animals and birds.
I agree with your point. And then more than impact on environment like environment uh,
Pollute the environment.
yes, next
5G affects are human heart patients,
It
uses
is
medical
also
sectors
used in
in
agriculture
hospitals,
fields or field
agriculture fields.
also.
yeah.
they are destroying the environment by building the 5G networks. It mostly impacts on human and animals by increasing the radiation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Geetika Krishna. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Lendi College in Computer Science and System Engineering. I have a strong foundation in C programming and problem solving, which helps me approach the challenges with more logical and efficient solutions. I also had the opportunity to participate in a project called e-learning management system, where I applied my skills in a practical setting. I consider myself a dedicated learner who can learn new systems and technologies pretty quickly. I am always eager to learn innovative technologies in computer science.
Good afternoon. My name is Leela Madhuri. Present, I am doing my third year of BTech in Delhi Institute of Technology. I have strong communication skills and problem solving skills, which help me adapt and perform duties in different activities. Uh, I had one of my achievements were I had a mini project named Lendi Academic Hub, which is completely related and helpful to students. Our team members are also designed a website to it, and I also got certificates in C and also in MongoDB. My current target is to place in a good company with highest package, and also my long-term goal is to become a teacher. For that also, I'm preparing parallelly. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chandni. I'm currently pursuing my BTech degree in Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. My key strengths are coding, problem solving skills, and quick learner. Being a quick learner helped me to adopt new technologies. And I also gained practical experience through the internships such as Java Full Stacks, which I completed in the last year. And and also I gained hands-on experience through different projects in my academics, which are the course registration system, which and also my short-term goal is to become a web developer where I can apply my coding skills and problem solving skills. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Ruchita from third CSSE at Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today I am here to tell about my self intro. I am currently pursuing third CSSE and I have achieved some internships like in EduSkills like AWS, Java full stack, web development, etc. And I am currently working on Tableau. This is the main certification course I have to learn. And next, I will develop my Power BI skills also because the Power BI is helpful in the product management system. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. Today we are here to discuss about the topic the impact on 5G network. Uh, as coming to the topic, 5G is the fifth generation of computers. Uh, it, it contains more ultra fast networking and also low latency, and also some of the activities which is related to more faster, I think.
Yeah, I think it will make our communication much faster and data speed will be faster, and we will our work will be more efficient and faster.
The guy, I will. You are telling true only, but the internet is so speed. It will work in industries also like transportation, other industries also. But this will affect in rural areas because they will get only for 4G network compared to town cities.
So we are given a good topic. Let me say, 5G has the potential to communicate with others. So it is how it will run is 5G has 100 times efficient than 4G. We can easily communicate with others throughout the world. So it can also helps in education systems, healthcare. In education systems, we can learn new things through the net by visually.
I agree to your point, Shamni. The major benefit of 5G is in lies in healthcare because of the technologies like telemedicine. In rural areas, patients can also know the value of quality medicine without traveling to the longer distances by using this telemedicine medicine. They can easily know the value of quality medicine.
But in villages, they don't know how to use mobiles also.
But there are some like grandchildren are there to explain them about.
Yeah,
I agree to both of you, but there are some advantages and disadvantages of 5G.
I think the radiation affects people and the animals and the
Yeah.
environment negatively.
Yeah, I really
It
like
also raises privacy concerns and data breaches. Like our data can be hacked and security issues are also raised.
yeah. This will affect cyber security also because while we are using 5G network, the network will take our privacy folders also.
I
So
also agree to you, Rishta. So many of the users using the 5G network, everybody is not use the network in a proper way. So there are many cybersecurity issues we face.
There are so many advantages and disadvantages lies
Yeah,
in 5G network. Due to the major impact lies in birds because of rapidly increasing in technology, it may affect the bird's life. I think.
yeah, these 5G networks have pros and cons, but villagers don't know how to use also child. As you said, Leela Madri, grandchild will never know how to use the mobile phones also
But
because they can affect in like they will do necessary things. They don't know how to use phones also. In this generation, small babies also using phones, but they will cause eye effects also. So
So actually, you're saying right point, but in my point of view, we are learning how to use the technology. Like that, they are also learning. So they're learning and they teach us to their grandparents.
okay, I agree.
And I think 5G will give us more jobs and will increase our country's GDP.
Yeah, it opens the doors to new industries like self-driving cars.
IoT and
IoT
AI, machine
networks,
learning.
yes,
Yes,
We need more
because
networks
the
and
technology is
management
good.
systems.
Technology is increasing.
Have
It
you
will
imagined that a full movie downloaded in few seconds? That's a 5G done in
major
Yeah.
benefit of the 5G.
Yes, high quality pictures also will
we
come.
can.
Mainly, it will remove the differences between rural and urban area childrens. Urban area childrens are what learning, rural area children also learning the same thing by using the mobile phones. That is the major advantage I think in 5G.
yeah, I think virtual classrooms will be
Yeah.
more developed
Yes,
and it will
we
be
can
fast.
learn from YouTube also by providing this network. We don't want to, if we don't want to go to college, we can learn in YouTube. YouTube will help
Yes, more
us more.
efficiently.
Yeah,
5G also supports virtual reality and augmented reality.
Yes.
The way we communicate with each other will be changed. Like we can have a meeting like this in our holograms.
yes. Yeah, Google
So
Meet is there.
without
We
meeting
can
people, we can meet people physically.
physical.
So finally, what we are concluding about is there are so many advantages and disadvantages regarding to the 5G network. So I hope we take the advantages and move with the technology. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So whenever the group discussions happen, if somebody comes
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We are here to discuss the impacts of 5D technology. Let me bring my points with the flow of church. Uh, Let me begin first. In my opinion, the 5G network it is a fifth generation in mobile networks and systems. So
it is very high network speed, has very high network speed and low latency and massive devices connections. So like we are downloading the any movie, we can download it easily up to 10 seconds. Whatever it is, 5G network across the global, it has increases the high network speeds.
Yes, I agree with your point because, yeah, as you said, comparing to 4G, 5G is very fast. It will take only 1 millisecond to process, so it will be helpful for us in different industries like healthcare industry, education industry, and transportation. Also, in many other industries, also it is helping us today. The 5G is very useful to the people.
Yeah, in my opinion, 5G is very fast, and also it has pros and cons. Uh, in pros, it takes 5G very fast connections to devices and fast downloads. In not only industrial sector, it also uh, helpful in not only industrial and also automobile, healthcare. In these industries also it is very helpful, and in cons also, uh, due to high network, when we connected multiple devices, it leads to data breaches and hacking. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree to all of those points, and I also think that 5G is not approached widely still. Still, in many regions, 4G is widely used since the maintenance of 5G is a bit costly, and the wavelength of 5G is smaller than 4G, which makes it very hard to reach remote places. And also, we must maintain a thin balance between advancing 5G into 6G or maintain it with 5G, because as you go through generations, the signal width would decrease and it could cause certain harmful effects to the nature.
Yeah, that's good information. In my opinion, after came 5G network, we are using the IoT technology very regularly, and IoT technology is increased gradually. And moreover, we are using the virtual reality, augmented reality in our daily life. You see, VR or AR we are using before the 5G network comes came. Moreover, some software engineers are like they are using, but after the high network speed, VRs are everyone should using the VRs and IoT technologies very rapidly.
So coming to VR and AR, as you spoke about them, they will help in classrooms in rural areas to students. It will help in their way because they are not able to they cannot get the good quality education. But through this 5G and VR AR, the rural student areas also are getting some quality education in my views. But also there are few in remote areas like that there will be no until like present 4G coverage only is there, but in 5G it is too lag, and it will not be possible in that much short time. It will take few years to inbuild those 5G networks and all in those remote areas, and it will be difficult for the students also.
Yeah, I would add one point to your thing. As 5G rapidly increases as technology rapidly changes, but but our urban areas are rapidly changes to technology as the compared to rural areas. As some rural areas still struggling with 4G network, they are facing signal problems and a lot of these. While urban areas are very rapidly changes, I think.
So yeah, as you told, the gap between the rural and urban areas also increases due to 5G because urban areas will develop as there will be more number of 5G networks implementation there. There will be more development there, but compared to rural areas.
Yeah, I agree to that problem, but most of the people are trying to solve that. For example, Mukesh Ambani launched Geo, and he reduced the cost of 5G and 4G networks vastly. Also, Elon Musk is trying to build Starlink, which is a satellite network. He's also saying that everyone has a right to the internet. So, using that Starlink, even rural areas can get high network connectivity. Even though it's in the initial stages, it will take some time to become cheaper and usable for everyone.
Apart from this, there are so many challenges also in the after increasing the 5G network. So we can see the environmental pollutions like after increasing the networks 5G, 4G. We saw in a movie there is so many birds are dying because of this radiations like that. It causes the environmental like anything, not only the radiation, and it will be affect on the uh, impact on the mobiles in the forest areas.
Yeah, as you said, like 5G, it is good and it is giving some bad also. Like technology.
Yeah, you both are right. As with everything, this 5G network is also like a coin which has two sides, both good and bad. And I think that we must be very careful in forcing this advancement and always aim to do good for humanity. Thank you.
So
So here we conclude that the 5G network is having both pros and cons, but here we will focus on development only, and we will try to limit those. Like we should try to limit those limitations also, and we have to bring up all the good development into action. Thank you.
thank you.